Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So picking up where we left off in the previous Cardano video, going to continue doing a technical analysis and a price prediction on everything that is currently going on with ADA. Now we are getting closer and closer to the completion of the Vasil hard fork launching on the mainnet. So we have this big catalyst here that is getting ready to launch. Let's get into our technical analysis. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. Helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, helps spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now, let's get to it. Now, currently, according to CoinMarketCap, ADA is up about 2.5% over these last 7 days. It's up just a little bit over this last 24 hours, not even 1%. But the nice thing is that we are over that 50-cent price, currently at around 51 cents at this moment. So as many of you already know, that the Vasil hard fork is going to be launching on the mainnet on September 22nd. So we have that coming up here very soon. And as far as how things are going with that update, there is some new news that is out there. So as far as blocks producing nodes running the latest 1.35.3 version, that metric currently is at 95%. So that's a huge plus right there, seeing that we're almost at 100% there, or probably already are at 100%, and those details have not been released yet. Now, we also have a handful of exchanges that are now ready for the Vasil hard fork. We have Binance that is now ready. They have finished their update. We have Coinbase, they're still in progress, but they are updating. So there's many exchanges that are already ready now or still in the progress, but we're seeing more and more of them finish completion. And Binance was one of those main ones that did need to complete there. And as far as the other small exchanges, many of those are already ready. And there's a handful of them that are still in progress or that have not started yet, but more so, it's really just Binance, Coinbase, etc. Those ones are really important to make sure that they are updated. Now, as far as the different dApp projects, the majority of the large dApps, we have some of them that are already completed their testing and some of them that are currently in testing. But the nice thing is they've all started or have finished. So that's also nice. So this is the newest update that currently is out. So looking here on the 4-hour chart, we're using that period with ADA from July 13th, where we had seen ADA at around 40 cents at that time. And going with that price that ADA was at on August 13th, where we had seen ADA at around 60 cents. So we had seen ADA go from 40 cents to 60 cents within a matter of a month. And now what we're doing is we're really working on trying to retrace those losses that we had seen. So we had 5 waves down, and now we're working on hopefully 5 waves up. Now, if we're going to call this currently a corrective wave, just to look at how things are playing out right now, we have retraced more than 50% so far, and we're working on trying to get back up to that 38% retracement level and hopefully break through that and then start climbing through the next Fibonacci level. So if we're able to do that, cross our fingers that we are, that's going to be great. It would be absolutely amazing if we are able to retrace those losses that we did see on that previous bearish 5 waves that we've seen using Elliot Wave theory. Now, I have these different price predictions also worked in here, and if we were to continue trading sideways from where we are right now on into the end of September or early October, I'm expecting to see the price of ADA be within this neutral price prediction. I know to some people this neutral price prediction doesn't make sense because it might be a bit too bullish, given the fact that we do have this catalyst coming up and we're not seeing the retracements within the prices that many people were hoping that we would see. But still, having a neutral price prediction that starts out at the price of 50 cents and it goes to around the price of 58, 59 cents. So if we were to be anywhere within that level, I would say that that would be a neutral price, like a good fair price for ADA to be at. And more of a bearish price would be anything below that 50-cent price would be more of a bearish price prediction, because that's just taking ADA back down to the lows that it has, the 52-week lows that ADA has had. So I'm trying to avoid seeing such. So I'm saying that is a bearish price prediction to be anywhere near that level. Now, as far as a bullish price prediction, it would be anything above that 58, 59 cent price. and hopefully we'll see ADA really start to retrace those losses, that previous 5 bearish waves. So if this is a corrective wave, let's just assume that here we have our wave A, our wave B, and we're currently within our wave C trying to get over this Fibonacci level. If we are, hopefully we'll see wave C climb all the way up to that price of around 55 cents. So let's play with the idea that this pattern right here, which is a bullish pattern, continues to stay bullish into 5 waves. And it plays out very similar to the previous bullish 5 waves that we had that had started on July 13th that went into August 13th. So looking at this one, this is that pattern. And if our current pattern that we have is anything like that one, then what we got going on right now, our wave 1, our wave 2, our wave 3. Let's even assume that maybe this wave right here that we're working on breaks through this next Fibonacci level and possibly has a little bit of correction as it works through it. We come down a little bit, we hold at that Fibonacci level. This is going to take us into around September 16th, possibly. We correct, and then we go into our 5th wave with either being around the price of 60 cents, or if we're lucky, even breaking through that as we close out the month of September right into that bullish price. Hopefully we'll take it above 60 cents or at 60 cents, somewhere around there. A better idea would be if we can be above that and we can moon from there. There's many possibilities here, but if we were to continue trading sideways as we are right now, and that end up taking us right into that neutral price prediction, or even if we were to see the price pump a little bit as we get into the launch of the Vasil hard fork, and then from there we get a little bit of a correction that will take us into this neutral price prediction. I hope we do not end this month with the price of ADA closing out in anywhere below this 50% Fibonacci line. That would be very surprising if we do see that, but then at the same time, it would not surprise me given how the crypto market is going, and anything is possible. But do keep this in mind as I do put out these price predictions. None of this is any sort of financial advice, and this is just my own opinion. I'm just playing with my own strategies, because regardless, as we do complete these 5 waves, we would see a correction within the price, and we will see a price dip. That's just normal behavior with markets. They go up, they go down, and you have to keep that in mind, that at any point you can see a price pump, but then at the same time you can see that pump quickly deflate, and just keep that in mind. We're not going to expect the price of ADA to continue going into these into any sort of bullish price prediction and not see any sort of pullback. But all in all, though, this is just my own opinion here. This is not financial advice. I'm more so speaking to people that are invested in ADA. I would like to hear your opinions about this. What do you guys think? Do you think that there's that possibility that we will be able to see ADA by the end of this month break through that 60-cent price and possibly even going up to there? I've even heard people say that they think that ADA could reach $1 by the end of this month. That would be absolutely amazing to see as well. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching and listening.